Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick little share. I did receive some happy mail the other week from my friend Kathy over at Cats Create. How's it, Kathy? And I loved her envelope she made so much. I was like, oh my gosh, this was a good way to get rid of 12 by 12 paper that, you know, usually has the picture on it. You don't know what to do with it. I'm trying to look for her envelope. Here it is. So this was the mail that I got from her. She used this pretty paper to make the envelope, and I was thinking I could do that. And you can do it without a scoreboard or any type of tools either. So I am getting ready to mail off some winning to one of my valued subbies, and so I'm just going to package up her winning and show you how I did it, or am going to do it. So of course, 12 by 12 sheet of paper, and all I did was put it where I wanted it to go, fold over. Like, this is kind of easy, that maybe don't need a tutorial, but just in case. And then I want to find out where the edge is. Hold on. Let me see. So this is the bottom. And I think because of the... Oh, no, that should have been it. And there's the top. So now that you've done that very roughly, you're able to see all the score marks you made without a scoreboard, without an envelope board, without a bone folder. You will need a skizzers. Oh, I just saw my skizzers. Okay, I don't know where they are. But, okay, so you see the score marks here, score here, and score here, right? You want to take this, here, and cut this triangle out, rectangle. You want to cut all the rectangles out, actually, on the corners only. Does that make sense? These rectangle here. Sorry for my dog. His daddy is outside talking to the neighbor, and he wants to be out there as well. Okay, so, and I'm just roughly doing this. It does not have to be perfect, but so here's the squares I cut out. So this is what you end up with. Like, I didn't even take the strip off. So what you want to do is actually, to cut down bulk, cut this and this at an angle. And this and this at an angle. And if you don't know what I mean about bulk, I mean folding bulk, because when you fold stuff, you know, you're adding one layer of paper and another layer of paper and another layer of paper, and so it gets pretty bulky. So that, and that's probably it. So you're gonna want to take some adhesive and adhere that, and then adhesive here and adhere that. And for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna use my tape runner real quickly. So that, my gift fits perfectly in its envelope. It is flat and ready to be addressed and mailed. So yeah, check that out. Thank you, Kathy. I just love that envelope. So if you're new here, welcome. I appreciate you stopping by. I hope you Consider joining me on my crafty journey by subscribing. And if you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any crafty friends you know would be interested in this, please share my video. For more videos like these, you can see here. And until my next video, shakas!